Do you know where is the best place to repair luxury watches? Here, at Far East Plaza Singapore. Let me show you.
When it comes to servicing and restoring your timepiece, Watchlab stands above the rest. Here's 6 reasons why. Your luxury watch is in the hands of a Swiss-trained watchmaker with over 10 years of experience, ensuring precision, expertise, and the utmost care in every repair. We use top-tier Swiss standard tools, guaranteeing that your watch receives the highest level of craftsmanship and attention to detail. A Keyence to 100 times zoom microscope is one of the most advanced tools available, allowing us to magnify and examine even the tiniest details invisible to the naked eye. With this cutting-edge technology, no flaw goes unnoticed. We utilize the Witschi Timegrapher device to ensure your watch runs with impeccable accuracy and a Witschi dry water resistance test to guarantee your timepiece is fully sealed and water resistant. Our premium cleaning services restore your watch to its pristine condition, including watch cleaning with Salvex machine, ultrasonic and steam cleaning, deoxidation, and expert polishing. Which brings me to reason number 6. Our skilled polishers use the renowned Crevoisier polishing machine, a gold standard in the industry, to give your watch a flawless finish.
So now you know where is the best place to repair your luxury watches, right? So if you want to know more about tips and care for your luxury watches, do follow us on our social media platform at Watchlab Singapore. And if you want to watch more behind the scenes video about luxury watches, do subscribe at our YouTube channel at Watchlab Singapore. So that's all from me. I'll see you at the next video.